What's going on? It's your boy Jonte Grove, and this is the Winners Podcast. And we're on YouTube, and we're back with another gumball business video. Today we are actually picking up two new gumball machines, 3-head. This guy, I'm at the storage facility, and we're going to go in there and we're going to check out the machines. They're brand new. I'm gonna just tell you, like, save yourself a headache. If you can get brand new machines, go for brand new machines. Especially if you can get them on Craigslist or offer up a Facebook, whatever. Just go for the brand new ones because they come with the keys and the locks and all that. You know, you're gonna end up spending extra money if you buy used. And if you get a good deal for a used one and you know you can get the keys or you got extra locks or whatever, then that's different. But if you're just starting out, try to find somebody with a few new ones and see if you can get a good deal. So I'm getting these two, and we are getting another 18, I would say, next week. I'm going on vacation the end of this week, so I won't be able to get them, but I'll be able to get the other 18 next week. And for the gumballs, that'll be it. That'll be the rest of the gumballs that we're going to be doing, and everything else will be switching over to full line. So you'll be definitely checking out some of those videos. But I don't think they're going to let me record in there, so I'm not going to be able to record us checking the machine out. But you'll definitely be able to see the machine once we get it. We'll probably go to the Walmart. We'll just get some candy, put it in there, as I don't have any Skittles. I actually just have all gumball machines. So get some Skittles or whatever, and we're going to put it in the machine because we want about 6 to 7 to come out per quarter. That'd be a really good number there. So, all right. We'll see you after we get the machine. Say we made it home. We got the goods. We got the goods, everybody. All right, so this here is the brand new vending machine. Say, we're gonna open it up. We're gonna get into it. I got my two helpers with me, Addie and Joe. So, Addison will get in the video. Say what's up. All right. So let's open it up. Let's show you how it works. Little different parts. We'll be right back. All right, so got the machines done. It actually took like 30 seconds, right? It was like really fast, super easy putting them together. It's not hard. You've obviously, if you've been doing gumball, vending, bulk candy, whatever, you probably come across these. So these are really simple. The venstars putting together. A lot of people don't like the venstars, and to those people, whatever. Be honest with you, because at the end of the day, you know what I mean? It's still making money. You know, it's kind of like, does a quarter go in it? Yes. Does candy come out? Yes. Then I'm using it. You know, I get that it's all plastic and blah, 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 and all that, but I'm using them. So listen, if you new, look on Craigslist. You'll find these everywhere. All right, go on Craigslist, eBay. You know, right now I feel like I got to connect that I can use where I can actually probably just buy these at the whim, because it seemed like they selling a lot of them. They got a lot of them. So, like I said, I'll be getting 18 next week. I wanted to get them today, but we had a snowstorm. And because we had a snowstorm, for some reason, the schools were closed for 2 hours. And guess what? There was no snow on the ground. So, whatever, that's how it goes. So, I didn't have the space that I needed to carry all of the boxes, which should have been about 9 boxes. So, but we got these. We got the locator. They're out there finding locations for me. So we're gonna be in business. I just met a guy today. Let me tell you, my man, he killing it right now. On a calm, like quiet, assassin, vending king out here where I'm at. And I'm gonna tell you, man, this bull, he seemed like he decent, you know, but I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. I'm taking the top spot. You know, so that's just how I am. That's what I do. I love a friendly competition, man. It brings the dog out of me. But anyway, it's all about getting this money. You know what I mean? If I can get money, you can get money. Everybody can get money. That's really is about at the end of the day. And this is gonna be a short one, like I said. Hopefully, I'm gonna clean them up. Put some candy in them. We're gonna test them out, see how they go. I just wanted to get this out, let you know what's going on. But when we get out of here, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment at the bottom. I've been answering everybody's comments. I try my best to jump on them as soon as they come, and I appreciate the love. Hit that little notification, little bell thing, so you know when I drop these. And more love to you. Peace.